Thank you to Blueland for sponsoring today's video. More on them later on. I'm sharing another What I Eat in a Day video for intermittent fasting, the 16-8 method. Hello everyone, Jennifer L. Scott here, and welcome back to the Daily Connoisseur. I do the 16-8 method of intermittent fasting, and I've done this for over 18 months. I like to share these What I Eat in a Day videos with you to show you that I don't follow any special diet. I eat a regular diet, and I eat that in the constraints of the 16-8 method, which is 16 hours of fasting and an 8-hour eating window. Today I'm sharing 2 days of intermittent fasting with you. If you are new to the channel, it's important to note that I do have my first coffee at 7 a.m. I don't normally film that. And I do put heavy cream in my coffee. I did not do that when I was trying to lose weight. I had black coffee, but now that I'm not concerned with that, I put the cream back in. So keep that in mind, and now let's go look at the meals. Good morning, everyone. It's 9:30 in the morning, and today for breakfast I'm having cottage cheese, blueberries, and almonds. I know this is kind of weird, but I always loved cottage cheese, and I was watching Autumn Bates's channel. She has great information on intermittent fasting, and she was saying cottage cheese is a great breakfast for when you're breaking your fast. So I took that and ran with it. That's what I'm having for breakfast today. I had my first coffee at 7 a.m. This is kind of a top up here. Keep calm and remain classy, Daily Connoisseur merch. And that's what is for breakfast today. Hi everyone, it's about 12:45. We're having lunch a little later today because this is a Sunday, and we got back from church and not only brought our kids back, but their friends. So believe it or not, the house is full of children, although you can't hear them because they're all playing in their rooms. But anyway, this is what's for lunch today. So on a day when I don't have a big roast on a Sunday, we usually do leftovers. So I have a tray of lasagna, I have some chicken enchiladas, which is what this is, and then also I have a pizza in the oven because some of the kids might not like either of those things. So, but this is what I'm going to have today. And this is chicken enchiladas with some chopped scallions on top, some hot sauce, avocado of course, and then normally I like sour cream with it, but we didn't have sour cream, so this is whole fat Greek yogurt right here. And then this is really random, but for the vegetable I'm having a side of sugar snap peas, and they're raw. And for those of you who are always saying, your house is so quiet, where is everybody? I'm just allowing you to hear the background noise right now, okay? I usually have to hide somewhere in order to get it to be quiet. This is the cauliflower crust vegetable pizza that the kids are going to have, or they can have the choice, shh, guys, or they can have the choice of the lasagna or the enchiladas. Okay, so this is what's for lunch today, and I'm having a water. This is kind of a late lunch, so it's going to throw everything else off, but we'll see what happens. I do plan to have tea time today. Okay, so this is lunch for today, and I will see you at tea time. I'm going to break away for 1 minute to share Blueland with you as they've kindly brought us today's video. So you know I've become more conscious of the products that I like to use in my home, and that goes to everything from cleaning products to hand soap. Blueland's cleaning and hand soap tablets are EPA certified, they're sourced from clean ingredients, and they use no single-use plastic in any component of their product. They have 3 different scents: Lily Mint, Satsuma Mandarin, and Bergamot Rose, which I love all 3. My favorite concept are the refill tablets. They are amazing. So here I'm showing you their hand soap duo, which includes 2 glass reusable forever bottles and 6 plastic-free refill tablets, which makes 6 bottles of foaming hand soap. When you run low, refill tablets are $2 or less. Okay, so here's what you do. You fill your glass reusable forever bottles with hot or warm water up to the line indicated. Then you drop one of the tablets into the water, wait until the tablet is fully dissolved, and then put the nozzle on. These foaming hand soaps are wonderful. I know Blueland sponsor my videos, but I have continued to order their products on my own because I really love them. So click on my link below to get an exclusive 20% off your first kit. Thank you, Blueland. Okay, now back to the meals. Hi everyone, it's 2:30 and I am taking tea in the master bedroom today. Yes, I am. So I made brownies for the kids, and that is what the tea time treat is for today. So this is a homemade brownie with a dollop of homemade whipped cream on top. I cannot wait to have this. The tea I'm having is the Peak Earl Grey, which is really good. It's one of those crystal ones that you just pour into the water, and it's very handy if you're having a single serve cup of tea. So it looks really dark and potent, but yes, it's really delicious, very strong. The bergamot flavor is so good. So I'm really looking forward to tea time today because, and this is my favorite part about tea time, usually I read a book or some poetry or do something to, you know, fill my tank. But I have two exciting things to look at today. First one is I got a letter from my pen pal. This is obviously the back of it. But I have a few pen pals, and every time I get their letters, it is the most exciting day. So I'm going to read her letter when I have my tea. And then the other thing is I received 3 paintings that I bid on eBay. And I love this one. This one's going to go in the boys' room. And it is, the artist is Jeffrey Barnes. And I think he has the same philosophy as Jose Trujillo because he puts his paintings on for a very affordable price. And so I won these for a very affordable price. I mean, they're worth much more than what I paid for them, but that is one. And then I really like these. This one is one of Hawaii, and I can't remember what it's called exactly. And they're on a board here, so I will get these framed. I just think they're so pretty. That one, and then I have this one here, and this reminds me of a garden in England or Italy or something. So anyway, that was exciting to open the mail today and get those in there. So I am now going to have my tea, my brownie, and read my letter from my pen pal. All right, I'll see you at dinner time. Hi everyone, it's 6 p.m. and this is way later, well, an hour later than I normally like to eat dinner, but my friend came over and we got to talking and dinner is now a bit delayed. But I made this salad. It's a broccoli salad. It has broccoli, cucumber, snap peas, grapes, walnuts, and scallions. And I made the dressing, and the dressing is, and I eyeballed the recipe, I just kind of concocted it. But it's mayonnaise, Greek yogurt, apple cider vinegar, sugar, salt and pepper. And it's so good. So good. I love a good broccoli salad. So that's what I'm having along with a buttered tortilla. This is a raw tortilla that is cooked and with a pat of butter inside of it. And so that's what I'm having today for dinner. And yes, I'm going to not adjust my time, even though this is a bit later than I would normally eat. I'm very relaxed about it now. Maybe when I was in weight loss mode and I wanted to lose weight, I might have adjusted the time the following morning and pushed it an hour up, but now I don't really bother with any of that. So that is what I'm having tonight, a nice light dinner, and thanks for watching. Good morning everyone. I'm so excited about breakfast today. I made steel cut oats in the Instant Pot, and on top of that I put some vanilla almond milk, unsweetened. I did put about a tablespoon of brown sugar, flax seeds, and walnuts, because I'm trying to add a bit more fats into my diet. And then I have some fresh strawberries and blueberries. So this looks so good to me. That's the steel cut oats, and yes, I cannot wait to dive in. Of course, I'm having my coffee from earlier in the morning. So that is what is for breakfast, and I will see you at lunch. Hello everyone, it is just after 12 and this is what is for lunch today. It is leftovers, and this is like a chicken chili verde, and I have some steamed broccoli and asparagus here, some twice baked potato with 2 different types of cheese, and of course some avocado, because I put avocado with everything. So I'm really looking forward to this. It looks really good. And then also I'm having a coconut water to drink. I don't normally do that. I'll usually just have regular water, but I was at Target earlier and I picked up one of those coconut waters at the checkout stand. So that's what I'm having to drink today. So that is for lunch, and I will see you at tea time. Hello everyone, it's 3 o'clock. A little later than I wanted for tea, but that's okay. I usually have it at 2:30. But today I'm going to have the Peak Hibiscus Beauty Elixir. I really like these. So they are hot water soluble little tea crystals that make hibiscus tea, which I've always loved. And so I'm having a heavier dessert today. You'll see that in just a moment. When I like to do that, or when I do that, I should say, I like to have a lighter tea, either an herbal tea or, you know, a black tea, Earl Grey, with no milk and sugar, like I usually will take, because I love my PG tips with milk and sugar, right? So what I take is, let's get this there, the little elixir, and you rip the top, and this is organic, and you put the tea in like that, and this cup is the Victoria Magazine April Cornell cup. I get a spoon and stir it around until it's fully dissolved. And it becomes this rich, deep garnet color that's so pretty. I know you're not supposed to bang your spoon against the tea, but I'm just trying to get the crystals off the bottom of it there. So these are really handy, obviously. It's easier than doing loose leaf tea, so sometimes I like these. Yes, so the ingredients are just hibiscus, mint, and licorice root. That's it, nothing else. So let me show you the dessert we're having. Okay, you can get a better look of the tea here. It's a beautiful color. This really soothes my stomach. I love hibiscus tea. I also like ginger tea. So anyway, that tea is really good. And now, look at the dessert. Pumpkin pie with whipped cream for tea time today. So I prefer to have my dessert at tea time. I just find that my body processes it better if it's earlier in the day rather than after dinner. And so that's what I'm having today. It's an absolute treat. And then this is what I'm going to look at, Victoria Magazine's December issue, the Christmas issue, which is one of my favorite each year. And this one is so good. I've already looked at it once, and I'm gonna go through it a second time now. I usually go through their magazines a few times each issue that comes out because they're so rich, so many things to look at. Okay, that is tea, and I will see you at dinner. Hi everyone, it's 5 p.m. and I came outside to get some quiet, but you're gonna hear the neighbors talking, so I didn't really get quiet. But anyway, tonight I'm having some vegetable minestrone soup. This is the Rayo's vegetable soup, and it's really good actually. You know I love them, I love their pasta sauce. So that's what is for dinner, and then I have a simple side salad with ranch dressing. And these are the Cheesecake Factory brown rolls. So you find them at the restaurant, but they have them now in grocery stores, and I have been loving these. They're so good, heated in the oven and with a pat of butter. So I'm gonna try to eat mine Madame Chic style. Water to drink. This is a very light dinner, and that's what I like to do. I like to have my lighter dinner in the evening. So this is a very delicious vegetarian meal, and thanks for watching. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and thank you to Blueland for sponsoring. Don't forget to click on my link below to get an exclusive 20% off your first kit. I would love to know how your experience is if you are doing intermittent fasting. Let us know in the comments down below. Keep calm and remain classy, everyone, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.